Choose period-appropriate colors and breathable materials to protect historic fabric when painting an exterior. Start by researching the original paint palette for your property using historic photographs, physical paint analysis, and regional pattern books. Narrow choices to colors documented for the house style and local period. Prioritize breathable paint systems such as Limewash, traditional mineral paint, or modern vapor-permeable formulations over impermeable acrylic coatings on masonry and wood to avoid trapped moisture and substrate failure. Test small, inconspicuous areas with the chosen finish and let them weather over a few weeks to check adhesion, color shift, and breathability before committing to full elevations. When appropriate, replicate original materials and techniques like milk paint or linseed oil-based primers for wood siding and trim, applying multiple thin coats and sanding between when needed to match texture and sheen. File permits and submit a clear proposal with color chips, material data sheets, and application methods to your local historic commission or preservation office early to avoid costly revisions. Keep a thorough record of all specifications, product codes, surface prep notes, and photographs before, during, and after work to assist future stewards and to document that treatments are reversible where possible. Common mistakes include choosing modern impermeable paints that lock moisture into masonry and lead to spalling. Fix this by selecting vapor-permeable mineral or lime-based systems and consulting a conservation specialist for masonry. A second issue is using historically inaccurate bright or trendy colors that undermine authenticity. Mitigate this by relying on documented palettes from paint analysis or period guides and by testing in natural light at different times of day. Third, removing or obscuring original surface textures and finishes during aggressive prep or replacement can harm character. Avoid heavy sanding or abrasive blasting, favor gentle paint removal or in-kind repairs, and match original profiles and techniques whenever feasible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors experienced in historic painting and preservation and offers project listings to help contractors find appropriate work. We also host a discussion community where owners and professionals share experiences, ask questions about paints and techniques, and exchange resources for preserving historic exteriors.